Hey guys, today we are going to learn vegetables. I got lots of letters. We have lots of vegetables and we're gonna try to find the right letters for them. All right, so let's start with corn. So please help me find letter C. We have letter C. Now we need letter O. It's here. Letter R, it's here, and letter M, and here it is, and we got corn. Perfect, let's put it right over here. Good, our next one is going to be carrot. Let's make carrot. We'll do it like this to make more space for our plants. So we need C again. I have C. Now we need A. We need double R. So we'll take one from our corn. We need O and T. And we got carrot. Perfect. Next one is tomato. We put our tomato over here and let's make it. So first we need T, O, we take from our corn, M, A again, T and O, and we've got tomato. Perfect. So who's gonna be next? And next is onion. We have lots of O's used in these letters. So first we need O. O, N, I, O, and N. And we've got onion. Our next one is going to be cucumber. Let's make cucumber. So we take our letter C for cucumber. And we'll flip it over. I'll show you a little bit later what do we have here, but we're gonna proceed with cucumber. So C, U, C again, U again. We don't have U, so we'll take from N. Now M, B, that's a long word, E, and R. And we've got cucumber. Perfect. So we flipped our corn, we did it. So here we have cabbage. Let's make cabbage. I'll put it right here. So we need C. We need A. We need double B, B number 1, B number 2, we need A again, G, and E, and you got cabbage. Alrighty, our next one is going to be celery. Let's make celery. So we need C. We take from our cucumber, E, we take from cucumber as well. L, we have right here E, R, and our carrot is coming from the board. I'll show you what we have there. Celery. Okay, cabbage, please. We are moving our cabbage. Celery and Y. Celery. Perfect. And we had our carrot, we flip it over, and here we have potato. Let's make potato. So first we need P. P is right over here. Now we need O, T, A, T, and potato and O. Oh, celery, please. And we have potato. Perfect. Our next is going to be pumpkin. Let's make pumpkin. So first we need letter P. We have it, P. Now we need U. Let's take from here. M. Oh, we'll take from our tomato. We need to remove our tomato. We'll have another one there. And let's move our celery here. Good. Bump. Now we need P again. K. Where is our K? Here it is. I. We have it here. And N. We take this one. It will be our N. And we got pumpkin. Perfect. Next one is going to be white radish. It consists of 2 words, so it's gonna be a long one. So first we need W. We have it. H. We have it as well. I. We take from our onion. We flip it. I'll show you what we have there. So white. T. Radish. Oh no, E. Here's E. Now we need radish. It's a long word. So we need R. Take from our cucumber. A. We take from, let's take from potato. Red. Double D. D number 1. D number 2. Oh no, just 1 D. Sorry. I. Take from pumpkin. S. We have it. And H. We have it as well. And we got white radish. Perfect. We still have some space right over here, and I'm gonna show you what we have here. We have an eggplant. Yes, it's a long word, so let's try and make it. So we need E. Let's take it from our celery. So we have E, double G. So G number 1, G number 2, P, egg, L, A. Where's our A? It's here. Eggplant, N. Let's take from here. Eggplant and T. We'll take from our potato. And we have eggplant. Perfect. Next one is going to be P. Oh, a small word. So let's try and make it. So we don't need 3 letters. We need P. We take from pumpkin. E. We take from white. And A. Also take from radish. And we've got P. Oh, we don't have lots of space here, but we still need to make a few words. So I'm showing you the next one. It's lettuce. Let's make our lettuce. So we need letter L. L, we take it from here. Maybe we'll have some space. E, eggplant, because it was sooner. Double T. Yes, you still can see it. Let U. Let you C. And E. We've got lettuce. Perfect. Very good job.